Don't be like me. Know your 3 styles before it actually leaves your bank account.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside.
Hey girls, Jorts have taken over by storm, and literally they have become a staple in summer wardrobe and a staple all year around. We're going into fall, and I'm going to be your bestie that teaches you how to style jorts for the fall season. They say the girls that wear jorts really know how to put that stuff on, so you don't want to be the one lagging. So stay tuned because we're about to get into it. Before we go ahead and jump into the things, I actually wanted to show y'all my cute little jacket. I got this from Shein. I love the way that it bubble over, and I think that's going to be a great staple for the fall, and I think it's going to go great with some jorts. So since I already have the jacket on, I'm going to go ahead and style this outfit. Now, I know that I am the one that normally tell you guys, if you're going to purchase something, know how you're going to style it in 3 ways. Now, as far as 3 ways, I don't know. I literally think I have maybe like 2 good outfits in my head that I can do. This is one of those safe purchases that I feel like shouldn't have an issue trying to style this. Don't be like me. Know your 3 styles before it actually leaves your bank account. I think I probably would go in and buy a cute stringy bra. I know I'm trying to show y'all my goodies a little bit, but you get what I'm trying to say. I think that will be a really good statement to put under the jacket and just keep that one button. But since we don't have that, we're gonna move on, and I'm gonna show you the first outfit. This was the look. Like, cute little ponytail, pull it back, do a little accessory, and then the jacket, the jorts. Now, I gave y'all 2 boots. I definitely did. I wanted to give you a little bit of range, but either way, you can kind of switch it up, do this cute little jacket, some jorts, a cute little boot. Matter of fact, you can even go, not even do white or brown boots. Have a lot of range, especially when you play with neutrals. You can play up or play down this look as much as you like. You can always do some combat boots. I think some really cute boots that you probably would have went would be like the Louis Vuitton utility boots. Even a dupe of that boot would be great with this outfit. This cute little jacket, jorts, a boot will knock that outfit right out the window. You'll feel good in it. You won't feel exposed. You're warm and you feel good. Like, all around you feel good. At least I do. Like, I love this. You can play into this wardrobe the way you want to play into it. Now that I've styled these jorts, I'm gonna go ahead and do another style for you. This is the second outfit. This is gonna be your universal look. A white top with the jorts. Jorts are typically jean. If they're not jean, they're going to be some type of color. Most jorts are denim, but colored denim. That is one that I feel like you really can't get wrong. I think we've had the conversation on several occasions where there should always be a white button down in your wardrobe. I feel like everybody has had this conversation, but it is really true because that will be the make or break of your outfit. Literally, all you need is a white button down to finish off or polish out the look. White button down, whether it's a cropped white button down, long white button down, you can never have enough. So this is the simplistic look. This is the second look. This is the one where if you want to run your errands, if you want to go shopping, if you want to do anything that requires any type of movement. Now we're going to go ahead and get into look number 3. This is the third outfit. You can tell that I am truly loving this outfit because I'm literally like just posing for the camera. I actually styled this for my upcoming lookbook. He's eating down. I will say, baby, I was so much tinier last year. It's no secret, baby. I gained a couple pounds, okay? It still fit. But do I feel like I'm busting out the seams? Absolutely. But I'm going to still wear it. I feel like you can mix greens and browns all the time. That utility army inspired color trend, perfect for the fall. Your hint of creams and ivories just solidifies you are that girl. We have come to the end. We have done our 3 looks. I feel like if you really want to be that girl, you're gonna add a pair of jorts into your wardrobe. I hope you guys liked it. If you want another style video like this, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you hit that bell notification for more uploads. Make sure you're letting me know what you want to see in the comments because your girl don't read minds. I need to know. Bye.
Two-turn baby girl, you know